In this video, we are going to cover how to create batch files. Now, what we can do is, I'm just going to go back to the desktop and test folder that I've been doing all these exercises in, and run the dir command, and we notice there's nothing in here, and it is completely empty. So what we are going to do is, let me go ahead and clear the screen. Since, like I said, realistically you're going to be using Notepad to be your text editor, I'm just going to use Notepad and then type in, actually put batch file.bat. A batch file, really what makes it a batch file, makes it executable, is that file extension .bat. So if I press enter, it'll say, whoa, hey, I can't find this batch file, do you want to create it now? You say yes. And let me drag this over so you can see what I'm doing here. And from here, you're going to use the commands to list out what it is that you want to accomplish. So more or less, think of a batch file as some type of script that's going to run a series of commands to accomplish some task, like I said. So if I wanted to do something very, very, very simplistic, I could just start MS Paint, and that's going to open up the Paint program for Windows, and then end this batch file here. Now, of course, to kind of expand on what we're talking about, or what we're doing here, is we could add additional commands within this point. So say, for instance, I wanted to make a directory, C users, Schnabelt, desktop, and then create another directory called batch directory. Then it will make this directory in here. If I wanted to copy something into this directory, I could use the copy command if it's a single file, xcopy command if it's in bulk, so on and so forth. I'm going to actually give a tutorial on exactly what I want you to do for your assignment, and we'll move forward from there. So let me go ahead and save this. So I just press Ctrl S to save and Alt F4 to close. And if we run the dir command, you notice that it is a 70 byte file, batch file.bat.